I feel bad for those, like myself, who are hoping for significant updates in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 because a recent rumor has confirmed yet another important piece of information. It claims that the Fold 5 is missing a significant feature, which was previously rumored and is now 100% confirmed. Remember how we said the Z Fold 5 will have significant durability features and numbers? Well, we were completely mistaken. Samsung will not include any additional protection in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We will only see an IPX8 rating for water resistance and an X for no dust resistance option, which may be one of the Fold 5's major drawbacks given that the new hinge design will allow for a flat folded design. We will not receive IP58 but water and dust resistance. As a result, it is difficult to harm the interior display, but surprise, no additional treatment is required for dust certification. Here are the results from the testing of 5 new hinges. When the device is folded and unfolded 200,000 to 300,000 times, the strength should be at 85%. For a typical user who folds and unfolds the device 100 times per day, Fold 5 would last 5.7 years before it stopped working or experienced problems with this hinge. According to reports, the Fold 5 will also include some impressive camera specs, including a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, a 10-megapixel ultra-selfie camera, and a 4-megapixel UDC under-display camera. To be really honest, there hasn't been any updates since Fold 4 last year. The only thing that has changed is the inclusion of an 8KB recording at 30 frames per second. Instead of a new camera number, Samsung is banking on enhanced camera optimization. Z Fold 5 battery has some good and bad news, but when we look at the other foldables like Pixel Fold battery is not good by any means if you use inner display, while Galaxy Z Fold 5 will bring improvements in battery. We're all going to see a 4400 mAh battery. Yes, same as last year, this is not the improvement but a new power efficient processor is what I mean, and that could be the reason for Fold 5 to last longer than the Fold 4 and possibly Pixel Fold. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.